Listen to this meditation to overcome your sugar cravings. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your body begin to relax. Let go of tension in your jaw, your shoulders, your belly. Now bring your awareness to the craving. Notice how it feels. Maybe it's a tightness, a thought, or a sensation. Acknowledge it without judgment. Now shift your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Visualize a calm wave washing over your body. Cool, steady, and cleansing. It moves through your chest, down your arms, your belly, your legs. This wave brings balance and clarity. Now say silently to yourself, I listen to my body with love. I choose nourishment over impulse. I am in control. Feel that craving begin to fade, like fog dissolving in sunlight. You are grounded. You are clear. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. Carry this strength and calm with you as you return to your day.